Hello folks, we are back with the exercise 1.2. We have already finished the part 1 video. Now we are into the part 2 video where they are asking us, we were actually seeing the types of functions. We had seen that functions are of two types. Of course there are many types, but the types that we are learning is injective and surjective. Injective is called as one-to-one and surjective is called as onto. So given a function, it's not necessary that both should be true. We have to show whether it is so or not. That is what we were doing. Question number 2, subpart number 1 was over. Now this is question number 2, subpart number 2, where the function is defined from integer to integer, z to z, and f of x is x squared. You have to check whether it will be one-to-one onto, one-to-one onto, or injective surjective. Now evidently this function is, because it is from z to z, it is not both. Actually it's not one-to-one also, it's not onto also. And another beauty of this problem is the same problem is repeated in the next subpart, but the set is changed from integer, it is becoming real numbers. So the same example is going to work here also. As I said, it is not one-to-one, it is not onto. Because it is not one-to-one and onto, we have to only give a counter example. So here we are going to give counter examples for both of them, and that's how we are going to say that this doesn't hold true. It's not one-to-one, it's not onto. Now what is the meaning of one-to-one? One-to-one means that you take an element from here, it will go to one element in the codomain. You take another element from the domain, it should go to another element in the domain, in the codomain. But by chance, if you are able to get two elements from the domain which go to the same element in the domain, then it is not in the codomain, then it is not called as one-to-one. Okay. So functions which are not one-to-one means such kind of thing would be happening. So we have to find out such things, and that's how it happens. So we are able to do that in this problem. So let's see how we will be getting that for injectivity, or what have they asked? Injectivity? Yeah, injectivity. So let's write for injectivity. Yeah. F of 2 is 2 squared 4. How about f of minus 2? That is also minus 2 squared 4. So what's the meaning? That from 2 and minus 2 from here, they both are going to 4, same number, right? That is not, that's not allowed for one-to-one, right? 1-to-1, 1-to-1, right? So this is not injective. Therefore, f is not injective, right? That's how it is, not injective. Then we will look for surjectivity. Surjectivity means, like, we have these two set over here. Oh, why is this not working? All these pens are lookalikes. We are not able to find out which has got ink and which doesn't have ink, right? So these are, oh, this is working too good. Okay, this is one set and this is the other set, and what is the meaning? Yeah, this is a domain and this is a codomain. So meaning of surjectivity is that whatever element that is there in the codomain, they should always have some pre-images. There should be no element which will be like left, unrelated. That should not be there. Then it cannot be onto. So if you have to show that this set is, this function is not onto, that means we are able to show some loose elements here which doesn't have a pre-image. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. We are going to find such loose elements which do not have a pre-image. Okay, so that's how then it becomes, it's not surjective, right? So let us find out that. F of x is equal to x squared, right? For you to get an idea, we'll just plot it. F of x equal to x squared. If we had to plot it, how could it be? It's in integers, right? So like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 0 will go to 0, x squared. So 1 will go to 1, 2 will go to 4, 3 will go to 9, 4 will go to 16 and so on. How about a 2 which is lying here? This is f from z to z, so this is full z, right? So there's a 2 lying here. From where is that 2 coming? No idea. It's not coming from anywhere. It's lying vacant there, because if the 2 has to come because of this function, it should come from root 2, and root 2 We don't have it because it's z. This set is z. It's integers. So you don't have a root 2. So it's not onto. Is that okay? So that is how we are going to write it. So now yeah, now 2 belonging to the integers codomain, because both are integers, you have to specify which is whether it is a domain or the codomain. The 2 belonging to the integer codomain, for 2 there does not exist. There does not exist x belonging to z domain such that f of x equal to 2. So as I told you, technically root 2 is what will be mapping and coming to 2, but root 2 cannot belong to z. That is why there is no such element, right? So it's not on 2. Therefore f is not surjective. That's about it. Okay. Now similarly we are proceeding from f for f from R to R, and we are checking how this is going. F from R to R, f of x is x squared, only that the set is becoming a little more big. So this same example for injectivity will work here. Of course surjectivity will have to change. Injectivity same example. Here f of 2 is 2 squared, and f of minus 2 is also 2 minus 2 squared, which is 4. So if you want, you can draw the diagram, or you can write 2 comma minus 2 has same image. You cannot have that, you should have different images, have same image 4. Therefore f is not injective, right? It's not injective. Then we'll look for surjectivity. Now surjectivity, we could have taken that same example here. If you take some negative value, minus 2 for example, minus 2, if it has to be there in this set over here, from which element should it come? There is no real number whose square is minus 2, right? So that is why that there will be it will not be on 2. Like see, for example, this is your real number to real number. This is what we are doing for a function, and here we have got n number of, like you have minus 5, minus 3, 0, 1, then maybe 7, and then maybe 100, like that. So many values are there, right? So if you take the function, how it will go, 5 will go to 25, the minus 3 will go to 9, 0 will go to 0, 1 will go to 1, then 7 will go to 49, and 100 will go to 10 raised to 4, right? Like that will go to different functions. But because this is real number, there are so many things which are left here, like there will be root 2, or there will be minus 2. Where are they coming from, right? So that's also very clear. So that is where we are going to write for minus 2 belonging to R codomain. There does not exist x belonging to R domain such that f of x is minus 2. So f is not surjective, right? Because we are not able to find its preimage. That's it. So there are some loose elements here. If loose elements are there, it will not be on 2, right? That's about it. Then fourth question, quick sub question, we'll quickly take. It's from natural to natural, and f of x is x cube. Like how we had done x squared, it is x cube. This should be okay. I think onto again will be a problem. There will be unrelated elements. 1 to 1 should be okay, but on to should be a problem. So let's check. Yeah, from natural to natural. Okay, first injectivity. Let, as I said, it does obey, so let f of x1 be equal to f of x2. So therefore x1 cube equal to x2 cube, and when we take the cube roots, x1 becomes equal to x2. Thus, starting with f of x1 equal to f of x2, we have shown x1 to be equal to x2. Like that, f is injective. That's about the injectivity. Then we'll look out for surjective. So in surjectivity, first let's make ourselves understand as to how it is. How is this function? Surjectivity, we are taking this from naturals to naturals, right? So that means we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 9, 4 goes to 16. Sorry. 1 will go to 1, 2 will go to 8, 3 will go to 27, and 4 will go to 64, 5 will go to 125. This is how the functions are. So from here itself it's very clear to us, something like 2. Where can it come? It can come from cube root of 2, but that is not there in natural numbers, right? So like that, there are so many elements which are not related. 2, 3, 4, so many things are not related. So that we can say. So let 2 belonging to natural number, that is codomain, not let. 4, there does not exist. X belonging to natural number, domain, such that f of x is 2, right? So that's about it, and that is why f is not surjective. Yes, so that's all about this part 2 video. Although we have list of problems in this exercise, very interesting problems also, so that we'll be taking it up in the upcoming parts. Thank you.